Hey DIYers, if there is one thing every DIYer I know has in common, it is that we love to save scraps. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are going to use those and create some beautiful fabric beads using my gel press. Now, if you have a metal allergy and can't wear metal jewelry, these beads would be great to make some jewelry. You could also use them in a junk journal, or if you make enough of them, you could make an amazing set of boho door beads. Thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hey. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beautiful fabric beads using my gel press. In 1929, Borden Inc. bought a small glue company called Cascores and introduced the first consumer white glue, called Cascores All-Purpose Glue. Metal hypersensitivity is a disorder of the immune system, and it affects 10 to 15% of the population. If you suffer from this, these fabric beads might just be the ticket. These beads would look amazing in a junk journal. Did you know that junk journals appeared after the recession of the 1940s because people were unable to source many materials, so they took to making journals, scrapbooks, and memory books using whatever they could get their hands on at the time. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you next week. Bye.